Professional siding replacement is worth it for Minnesota homes for a few reasons. James Hardie fiber cement siding is one of the year over year one of the best return on investment projects that you can have. To be able to upgrade your home and get a fresh look, you're going to know that if it's done by a professional, somebody who's familiar with the product, you're going to be able to see that. Your neighbor's going to be able to see that. It's going to add value to your home. You want to make sure that you've hired the right company that's going to do that, so that even though it does look nice, you know it's installed properly, that it's going to shed water, that all the flashing systems were done properly, that your warranty is going to be in place because you've had a trusted professional do the install.